Hello everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Cooking. Today I'll show you how to eat mochi. Mochi is one of the most symbolic food for Japanese New Year. Traditionally, it's prepared with rice paste, which is steamed and pounded. Recently, it's rare to see this way to pound it. Generally, it's prepared by macchine and we buy it in shops. The shapes of mochi is different between Eastern and Western in Japan. For example, we find a rectangle one in Tokyo, but round one is common in Osaka. The last New Year's Eve, I bought a mat of fresh mochi. It is soft only for a day, so it needs to be cut into small pieces right away, and those pieces must be floured. Also, this is the only one day when it can be eaten raw. First days of January, we ate the mochi in 5 different ways. First of all, we grilled it, then seasoned it with various condiments. The first one is with anko. The second one is with grated daikon, then seasoned with soy sauce. The third one is sprinkled soy sauce and wrapped by nori. The fourth one is with kinako. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the fifth one called abekawa with anko. I made it with the grilled mochi in a cup of hot water for a few seconds. Then sprinkle it with soybean flour, which is already combined with some sugar. Very soft and has a good flavor. I add a little amount of anko for finish. Enjoy your mochi! Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.